What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan coming with another video, and today's day 15 of the NIPSEY Hustle Challenge. And what I want to talk about is hustling on eBay. If I was you, whatever you have in your house that you don't use, you don't need, put it on eBay. Just get rid of everything that you haven't used in the last year. Nothing that you should be collecting, everything that's collecting dust, you should go on eBay and sell, and learn how to just hustle whatever you have in your house before you go out there and buy things to resell. I do that all the time now. The only mistake that I have done, and it bit me in my ass, is when I mail things out, mailing it the cheap way without no tracking number. Always get a tracking number to what you're selling. Always get a tracking number, because if you don't have no proof that you send it out, then anybody can say, oh, I didn't receive it. And I'm pretty sure there's people out there that know that, and once they receive a package and they know the tracking number wasn't on it, I believe they can just say, oh, I didn't receive it, even though they did receive it. I sell, jerseys and whatever else that I don't need, sneakers that I'm getting rid of little by little. My sneaker collection is getting smaller and smaller. I want to live as minimalist as I can, so I'm getting to that point where I'm just tired of everything. Right now, I have a storage full of books, and I'm about to get rid of all my books and save like a handful of them, that the ones that I really like and really think that I need. But 99% of my books are going for sale. If what I can do is, with the money that I get from selling them, I can always get the audiobook. Get the audiobook. They have sales here and there, so I can get 4 books for the price that I get one. So I just do it like that, and just get rid of stuff. Just get rid of things that I'm not using and that's holding me down. So learn how to hustle on eBay. I'm not the best eBay person that there is, but what I can tell you is always get a tracking number. Because then you have proof that you sent it out, you have proof that it went out, and then you have proof that, okay, it was at your front door. I don't know why it's missing. And then it won't be your fault. So thank you for watching my video. Remember, hustle on eBay. I'm going to put on the bottom the books that Nipsey Hussle recommended. And don't forget to like, share, and watch my videos. Subscribe, and I'm going to be making dope videos. We got, today is the halfway point of the Nipsey Hustle Challenge. 15 more days and the marathon continues. Peace.